Hey everyone, welcome back once again at your favorite channel jobonline.com. Guys, today I'm here with one of the great opportunity which is applicable for you, for which you can apply. If you want to apply for part-time income, or if you really want some good income with full-time basis, and your qualification is not that much, you are not graduate but you are willing to work in Canada, so here is a job vacancy of farm agriculture worker. Guys, today in this video we are going to discuss about all these vacancy. There are 2000 plus vacancy opening for farm agriculture worker. So in this video we are going to discuss each and everything. How can you apply for these job vacancy? What is the qualification required, as this vacancy is for the minimum qualification candidate? So then what is that qualification which is required to apply for these job vacancy? What is the hourly package you are going to get in this job vacancy? And everything we are going to discuss in this video. So guys, before we get started, let me tell you guys, this channel is all about providing you the job information across the globe level. So if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, then do subscribe it and hit the bell icon. So let's get started on my computer screen directly on the website where I have seen all these job vacancy which are recently posted, and you can apply accordingly on part-time and full-time basis. So let's get started. So guys, right on my computer screen I have opened up the website, and you can check right over here. There are various job vacancy opening over here for farm workers. Guys, in Canada there are basically opening on regular basis, basically for the seasonal farm workers. They hire people on part-time basis, on hourly basis, and they pay you on hourly basis. So all these job vacancy are recently posted on this website on 15th December, which was yesterday itself. So you can check right over here. There are multiple position opening for different location in Canada, and basically all these job vacancy are for the agriculture farm worker. So you can see this vacancy is posted on December 15 2021. The same vacancy, the next vacancy, is also posted on December 15 2021, and the other almost all the vacancy are posted on the same date. So there are urgent requirement in these company opening for farm workers. So guys, in this video we're going to discuss about how can you apply, and what are the qualification, and what are the salary package. You can check right over here, they are going to offer you. So first vacancy, basically we will discuss all these vacancy as they are recently posted. So we will be discussing every package. Like guys, let me tell you first thing. For first vacancy, you can check right over here. This is a verified vacancy, 100% verified job vacancy. You can check right on my computer screen right over here. This vacancy is 100% verified. Only for this company one vacancy is left over. The location is given right over here, and in this job vacancy the work is for the farm supervisor, and this is posted on December 15 2021, posted by Srub Agriculture Farm Limited. Basically it's in registered company. They're going to offer you $23 on for an hour, and approx 32 to 40 hours you need to work in a week. So you can calculate the time and you can work accordingly. So if you want to earn a handsome income for an hour, for a week, you can apply for this job vacancy. This is a permanent and full-time job vacancy. You can work here as in full-time and on permanent regular basis. Means you need not to left over working after 6 days or 7 days. You can continue over here for a longer time. So guys, for this job vacancy, the language required is English, and education required for this job vacancy is only high school. If you completed your high school diploma from any university, college, you can apply here for this job vacancy. Experience, only 1 to 2 years of experience is required. And if you don't have any experience, then we have some other vacancy also where there are numbers of vacancy. Like in this job vacancy, only one position is left over, but there are few vacancy there. 10 to 15% can apply for the same position. There you can mention your resume that you are fresher, but you can work accordingly. You can satisfy the need for which they are hiring. So guys, in this job vacancy you need to work as a farm supervisor. each and everything is given right over here. You can just check out what you need to do in this job vacancy. You can apply directly. Apply link for this job vacancy and other vacancy I have mentioned you in the description box. The second job vacancy you can check right over here. The second job vacancy is for the field grow crops farm labor. You can check out over here. The salary package is $15 on hour, and 6 people will be selected for this job vacancy. This is also verified job vacancy. You can check right over here. This vacancy is verified, 100% verified, and you will be getting $15 for an hour, and up to 44 hours maximum you can work in a week. So guys, this is a great opportunity. If you have, and if you don't have any degree, don't have any certification, don't have any diploma, you can directly apply for this job vacancy. And other than this, as I mentioned you, there is no experience required to apply for this job vacancy. You need to pick up the row of orchard crops, and you need to handle the work of vegetable harvesting, and you should also have a capability to handle the weight of 9 kg, up to 9 kg. Type of crop for which you need to work is vegetable, garlic and strawberries. So guys, apply link I have mentioned you in the description box. How to apply for these job vacancy I will also show you in the end of the video. But first we will discuss about the job vacancy which have been posted on 15th December 2021, and you can apply directly on all of these job vacancy as soon as possible for the farm agriculture job in Canada. So the next vacancy is for the farm manager. If you have a knowledge of a farm manager, you can apply for this job vacancy. Salary you will be getting up to $25 for an hour. And there are many more vacancy like general farmer worker. You can check right over. There are number of vacancy which are here on this website, where you can work as a farm worker and apply for $15 for an hour. And in this job vacancy you can work up to 72 hours per week, and this is also verified job vacancy. 2 position is left over. You can work on this location. Every location is mentioned right over here in all these job vacancies. So guys, this is a great opportunity. If you are not if you are haven't go to the college yet and you want to work, you want to earn, this is a handsome package. This is a handsome package vacancy available for you in Canada location. So guys, if you want to apply for any of these job vacancies, I have mentioned the link in the description box. Just click the link in the description box. After clicking the link, you can just find out the job vacancy, and you can apply directly from right over here. You can see this is and how to apply. Then you just need to click this. After clicking this, you will get a mail ID. Like for this job vacancy, we have got this mail ID. You need to just mail your resume, or you can directly send a message on this mail ID and apply for these job vacancy as soon as possible. So guys, this is a great opportunity. If you want to work and if you want to apply for any of these job vacancy, I have mentioned the link in the description box. Just click on the link in the description box and apply for these job vacancy as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you